Ussunny 5G Projector Review, Pros and Cons. Pros. Easy installation. Comes with all the required accessories. User-friendly UI. Clear pictures without any delays. Easy smartphone mirroring capability and options. Users are able to adjust the zoom and tilt of the screen. Comes with a built-in speaker, it can also be connected with an external speaker. Clear and good sound. You may not need a projector screen, you can project directly on a wall and receive clear picture. Shipped to you well packaged. Good price. Cons. Ussunny projector brand is not very popular. Made in China. That's it, thanks for watching, please like and subscribe.